We've just arrived at the Hard Rock, and I've got a surprise. I hope he likes it.
Still don't know where we're going. Looks like a construction site over here.
Follow me.
Doesn't have a clue.
I've been following you all day. I don't get it.
All right, just come on. Keep walking. Keep walking.
Restaurant we already have all inclusive.
That's not construction.
Oh.
That's where we're having dinner.
What part of I don't like heights did you get? See this face? It better be good, and I'm gonna need some drinks to get up there.
We got a bar.
Jeez.
And here's a bar. We're doing dinner in the sky. I am so excited. It got canceled the other night for the weather, but it is beautiful out. It's perfect. Look at it! Are you excited?
I'll be excited shortly. I'm not really afraid of heights, but I'm not fond of them either. My anxiety was through the roof, but I pushed through, and it really turned out to be a great experience. Oh, so you want to do surprises? I'm going to pay it back for this.
Everybody ready? No, come on, is everybody ready? 10 to 0, so we can get this party started, okay? Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Everyone, tonight's dinner is a pureed mashed potato with a 12-hour slow-cooked short rib, red demi-glaze sauce, mushrooms, cherry tomatoes, green beans, and a little bit of garlic. Enjoy.
Great, thank you. All right.
We got our picture in the sky. loved it. Okay, so you can do this for the price of about an expensive dinner for two. And, you know, it is an experience. You go up on this crane here. It was an hour and a half or less. Maybe an hour. It might have been about an hour or less. And so it's from the Hard Rock here in Punta Cana. I know they have dinner in the sky at other locations, other big cities. But anyway, yeah, loved it. And we're going to catch our shuttle. Hey guys, we're just back from our dinner in the sky.
Dinner in the sky.
Loved it. What did you think?
Absolutely loved it.
Because I know you're a little nervous.
Yes, I was very nervous.
We were pretty high.
Yeah.
Awesome view of the beach. Awesome view of Punta Cana. Great dinner, great food, great staff.
Yes, I really enjoyed it. And the good thing was the food was awesome. The food was absolutely awesome.
We highly recommend it. I think
Definitely
we both
recommend
do. For the price of an expensive dinner for two. You too can have dinner in the sky here in Punta Cana at the Hard Rock. And I know there's other locations around the globe, but yeah, absolutely.
I highly recommend it.
All right.
All right. Ciao for now. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. Ciao for now.